Go.
Hi everyone, Faith here. So marami nagtatanong sa inyo Faith, ano nga bang benefits na kung bakit mag-aaral ako sa New Zealand ng Masters? And here with me is Joseph, the Marketing Manager of IPU to answer our question. So Joseph, first
Hmm.
question, why we should study Masters?
Magandang tanong, Faith. Marami pong benefits of studying here in New Zealand. And I think if I will drill down to the basic one is,
Mm.
number one, globally recognized to. So if you study in New Zealand, your qualification would be recognized anywhere in the world, especially the Commonwealth countries, Canada,
Mhm.
Australia, even pumunta kang United Kingdom, your qualification in New Zealand would be recognized. And then apart from that, ang ganda pa mag-aral kasi very safe, very secured yung
Mm.
place, yung environment, very peaceful. So, conducive siya for students.
Mm. Oh, good. So I heard also you're living here for 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. So how can you describe New Zealand to the Filipinos?
It's for me, it's arguably one of the perfect place to raise a family. Kasi I have a family, meron ako anak, 8 years old, and maganda po dito dahil you know that your child, your family would be safe playing in the park, sa lake, and even sa school. And ang ganda pa ng, aside from that, yung healthcare system, universal healthcare system, and I can say that yung sa government, hindi siya ganun ka-rampant yung corruption.
Mhm.
Yun yung parang for me na top of mind kung bakit I really love New Zealand as a place to live
Mhm.
permanently, especially with your family.
Ayan, so nalaman na natin ang mga benefits. Alam ko you are still looking forward for more answers. So if you want more, you can just comment I want more part two, so we can conduct as well like more interview like this with Joseph. So thank you everyone, and thank you Joseph.
Thank
See
you.
ya.